Good morning. Today is day 4 of hiking the Appalachian Trail. I only have to hike 2 miles today, maybe even less than that, to Tesnati Gap, where I'm getting picked up and brought to Misty Mountain Inn. My ankle was hurting quite a bit yesterday, which is one of the reasons why I'm only hiking about 2 miles today and then getting picked up and taken to a hostel. I had one small climb to the top of Cow Rock Mountain where I saw some really pretty views, and then it was pretty much all downhill to the road where I was getting picked up at. The weather report also mentioned that a storm was coming in, so I wasn't too mad about getting to sleep inside tonight. And I think that storm is coming in. It's getting really windy. I think it's supposed to start raining at like noon. I took my time hiking the 2 miles to the gap because I knew I wasn't going to get picked up until around noon today. There was a father and a daughter who were doing a section hike that were also waiting for a ride. So we chatted for a bit as we waited for our shuttles to come. I got dropped off at Misty Mountain Hostel where I could do some laundry, take a shower, do all the things. But here's the little hostel. But yeah, super cute. Got washer dryer over here, microwave, little kitchen area to cook stuff, TV, and down here is the bathroom. After settling in for a little bit, I went and explored the property where I met this cute little chickie friend. The B&B is super cute. It did have a hot tub that hikers could use, but I didn't end up going in it. The hostel is located at the back of the B&B and it had its own separate entrance. So I've been at the Misty Mountain Inn for a couple of hours now. I've taken a shower, I have my laundry in the dryer, I've sorted the food in my food bag. I have about 4 days worth still, so still quite a bit. There are a couple other hikers staying in the inn rather than the hostel, so I've talked to them a little bit. Looking forward to getting back out on trail when it's not raining. It pretty much rained the rest of the night, so I just stayed in the hostel. I used this time to do a little bit of journaling, and I also looked at the map and planned my next few days on trail. Thank you so much for watching day 4 of my Appalachian Trail through hike. Mighty fine hiking, everyone. Bye!